Angler unboxing. Here are all the pieces. And the instructions. Seems pretty easy to follow. This is not a super fast setup. I'm still setting it up. It's been 10 minutes. But here is the last stage of this, or the second to last stage of this. I gotta take this rod and then stick it through this fabric here and then align and screw this up. So this is a bit of a problem. I don't know if this was designed this way or not, but I have the whole reflector on here and it's fine. It wraps over on this side, but it's actually not long enough to reach the other end. So here I'm supposed to zip this, supposed to put this over like that and then zip it, but it's kind of too stiff here. I think I either need to really stretch it out more, a lot more. That's about 2 inches before it can even, no, 3 inches before it can even wrap around this final pole. Okay, this looks good to me. It's really big, got all this reflective material, but I just couldn't seal this. I guess I'm gonna keep stretching it out until I could finally fill this in, but it doesn't look like I necessarily need to get that last bit in for this to work, because I don't really care if I see ripples, because it's not gonna be on the camera, it's just gonna bounce light up. So yeah, I think this is fine so far. I'm just very disappointed that I couldn't stretch the fabric out here upon first opening it.